Hey guys, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO, and I just wanted to show you this video real quick so that I can give you just a couple tips and tricks that you can use right away to start driving that organic traffic to your door, to your phone, without you having to pay for the expensive lead services. So as you can see, we're on your website. Looks like you guys do beautiful work. You have a nice looking website. You have just a little bit of content here. So let's see. This is a little bit confusing to me. We are the water people. We will put the water out of your structure and in a new swimming pool. Um, not sure about that. But the rule of thumb is that Google wants to see on your homepage about 1,500 words of content, or more. You need more content than your top competitors, but that 1,500 breaks down to about 150 words for every buyer intent keyword you're trying to target. So you want to be using keywords that are location based and are actual words that customers are going to be searching for the services you provide. Realistically, they're not all going to know your business name. So you need to have keywords that people are actually searching. And you need to do this for each one of your services. Every service you have should have its own individual page. And every service area should also have their own individual page so that when somebody searches in other service areas, you can be one of the first people that they call. So it's really important that every single service area and service have their own pages. When we look at the top competitor, LA Pool Builders is one of the top in organic for this specific keyword. LA Pool Builders, one, they do not have a secure website, so they're at risk of a lot of things, being hacked, having their identity stolen, having somebody take over their brand. It can cost them thousands and thousands of dollars to try and get it back. So that you don't want to repeat. But they also have a nice looking website. But they also don't have a whole lot of content. They have the keywords in their name, they have it in their domain name and on their page. And I think that's why they're getting the top spot. They're number one in Google for that specific keyword. Um, and even though you guys have nice sites, Google doesn't rank you based on appearance. They have crawlers that are little robots that go and index your pages based on the content and keywords. So that's why your content and keyword strategy is really critical. If we go over here, this is a program we use to analyze how your website is performing. And as you can see here, your website has a ranking of a 3.9 out of 100, which is because of your backlinks. You don't have very many backlinks, so you need a lot more backlinks than your top competitors. And they need to be good, high quality backlinks. Not all backlinks are created equal. Currently, you're only being indexed for one keyword, so you're getting zero traffic organically to your website. When we look at your competitor, their domain rating as a whole is less than 1, but their homepage, they're getting a 26. And that's because of their backlinks. They have all of their backlinks pointed to their homepage instead of actually going to their back pages. So they're actually missing out on quite a bit here. There's actually thousands in search volume, and they're only seeing about 150 per month on average. Now, what a backlink is when one website links to your website and drives their traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. So the more relevant, the more authoritative, the more relevant it is to your website and your services, the more power Google's going to give you. And it will help you to boost you up faster in your ranks. And the last thing I want to talk about real quick is when a customer puts in a search in Google, usually you're going to see ads. And then the next thing you're generally going to see is the Google Maps. And these are um, a highly competitive area. And you definitely want to be here because 30% of people go here to look at reviews and pictures, and they'll either call you directly or go straight to your website. So if you're not here, you're giving those leads to your competitors. In order to get here, there's several factors, but the main one is something called citations, which is the name of your business, your address, phone number, and website, and having those listed in a variety of places like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, etc. And you need to have a lot more of those than your top competitors. So if you follow these tips I've given you today, you can become number one across Google for all of your relative keywords, not just your homepage, but your service pages and service areas as well. And I know you're probably wondering, well, what do I do now? Well, you can either take this information I've given you and apply it yourself, and that's completely okay because this is just free education. I just asked you to give me some feedback and let me know what you thought of this video. However, if you decide that you would like help getting some of this stuff done and you don't want to have to worry about it or do it yourself, go ahead and give us a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.